Just as we add, subtract, multiply, and divide whole numbers, we also add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. In this video, I'm going to illustrate addition of fractions. Now, let us start by considering two equal halves of a circle. This is half of a circle, and this is another half of a circle. Now, if you bring these two halves together, that actually is addition. We obtain a full circle. Now, in other words, half plus half is equal to 1. Now, let me show you how this arithmetic agrees with the illustration. Now, half plus half is 1 plus 1 over 2, and this is 2 over 2, and 2 over 2 is equal to 1. Any number dividing itself is equal to 1. Now, take a look at this. Now, these are parts of a circle. They are equal, 4 equal parts of a circle. Now, if we arrange them and we put them together and arrange them, we obtain a complete circle. Now, that simply means that this is 1/4 of the circle, and this is 1/4 of the circle, and this is 1/4 of the circle, and this is 1/4 of the circle. So by adding them together, 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, we obtain 1 full circle. Okay, now look at it like this. We have 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 all over 4. And this is 4 over 4. And this is equal to 1. Any number dividing itself is 1. Okay. Now, this simply goes on to show that two or more fractions can be added together if they have the same denominator. All you need to do is simply add their numerators and place the sum over the common denominator. Okay. Now, let's take a look at a few examples, maybe 1 or 2 examples before we wrap up this video. So we have something like 5 over 12 plus 6 over 12. Now, because the denominators are the same, we're going to add the numerators. That's 6, 5 plus 6, and place over the same denominator, and that gives us simply 11 over 12. Okay. Now, here is another example. We have 4 over 21, 4 over 21 plus 10 over 21 plus 6 over 21. The denominators are the same, so all we need to do is 4 plus 10 plus 6 all over 21. Now, if you add 4, 6, and 10, you obtain 20. So this is 20 over 21. Okay. Now, this simply means that to add fractions with the same denominator, we simply add their numerators and place the sum over their common denominator.